How to create location. Under manage section, click on location. Once you click, you can see the hierarchy view of location and sublocations here, and listed view of the locations. You can view it here. Now I'll showcase you how to create location. In the right hand side corner, click on create a new location. Fill all the location information and also choose the account name. And once you click save, this will get reflected in the location master. Then we have few buttons available here as well. So the first button is for file import. You can just click here. You can download a template of ours which will be in Excel format. You can fill all the bulk location information and you can also import the same here. So the next button here will help you in identifying the import history. So the next button here is the filter option. Just clicking here, you can, with the account information, you can filter and see the location details with respect to that particular account. Then we have a download option which will help you to download the location summary here. Finally, the YouTube icon. Just by clicking here, you can actually view a tutorial about how to create a location. Thank you.